In the previous video, we learned about the linear layout that positions the views in a row or a column. In this video, we'll learn about the relative layout. To create a relative layout, we start with the relative layout tag, and the ending tag should be relative layout. So the root member or the root element of this file is a relative layout. Relative layout is a versatile view group that arranges its child views, widgets, or other layout elements relative to one another or to the parent container. It allows you to create complex and flexible user interfaces by specifying the positioning of child views in relation to each other. For example, if I have two text views, you can see they are overlapped here because I didn't specify the position of number 1 relative to number 2 or vice versa. So inside the relative layout, I can specify child views, widgets, and use various attributes to position them relative to each other or to the parent container. For example, I'll give text view number 1 an ID, text number 1, and text number 2, I'll give it an ID, text number 2. To position text number 2 under text number 1, I can use layout below or above or margin. These are the above and below. These are parameters and attributes that are specific for the relative layout. So for example, I need to specify this text view and position it below text number 1. I specify the ID text number 1, and you can see that text number 2 is positioned under the text number 1. Also, I can center horizontally with the relative layout using the layout center horizontal equal to true. You can see that it is centered horizontally according to the parent, which is here the relative layout. Okay? You can use other various attributes to control the positioning of child views, such as align top, align left, align button, or align right. So for example, if I need number 2 to align starting from the start of text number 1, I can use align left ID, and here I specify text number 1. And you can see that the starting of the text number 2 is aligned to the starting of the number 1 by using align left. I can use align right, so the alignment should take place here to the right. So for example, if I add 200, text number 200, you can see the text is getting enlarged in this direction because the alignment is taking place to the right. You can also use margins and padding to create spacing between child views and parent container. For example, padding 20 dp. You can see this is the padding, and I'll create margin 20 dp. You can see this is the margin, 20 dp from above, 20 dp from the right align. You can see this virtual line. Remember, the relative layout offers a lot of flexibility. Complex layout can sometimes become difficult to manage. In such cases, you might want to consider using other layout managers like constraint layout for more advanced and maintainable UI designs.